Hey friend, do you want to learn a quick way to develop a noise-making instrument? Here's how. One, grab yourself a little jar or a pill bottle or another little jar or a slightly larger jar. Two, get two rubber bands. One that is stretchy, one that came from asparagus if you have that. Three, you're going to need a Naltrax glove like this, a balloon, or a dishwashing glove. If you're if you don't have a backup on your dishwashing gloves, use one of those other things. This one is missing its thumb. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your jar, spread your glove or your balloon over the mouth of that jar, like this. You're going to take the stretchier of your two rubber bands and use that to hold the membrane over the mouth of the jar, like that. And so this is going to work on the same principle as like a snare drum or a slightly different principle, which I'll detail more in a second. You take your second rubber band, stretch it like this. And so you can tighten this by doubling it over or by holding on to it from the bottom when you play with it. So what you do to make noise with this is this, just so loud. Or you can blow into the membrane like this. And you can adjust the tone of it by pressing down on the membrane. And there you go. Now you've made something with which you can annoy your housemates, spouse, neighbors, and cats. I hope you've enjoyed this. Try doing it with other materials to see what else you can do with it, because you'll find a variety of different things are possible.